Hi, all. Welcome to our channel. So, who are watching it first time, just to watch the complete video thoroughly. You understand step by steps, clear structure. I will explain about the how to advertise your Google Play Store and App Play Stores apps, how to increase installs, and how to you can getting for more install purpose, how to create the campaign using AdWords. This is complete for AdWords campaign. Increase the app installs. Suppose you launch any new application. I'm looking for app installs. How to increase app installs? Go to campaign, select new campaign. There is a campaign goal first of all here. That is of nothing but app promotions. Select app promotion. Which app you are promoting? App install, app engagement, app pre-registration. Get new people to install your app. Always looking for new customers coming to app. Selecting app install. Which app? Android, iOS. Here one question is there. Sir, I have to practice this one with don't have any application. What will go with? You can go for apps are here. Search for cricket application. Select one cricket app. This will be app is there. Select is a Google Play Store. Select it. Copy the URL. Paste it. Showing app or not? App nothing permission required. You can promote will be third party application. You will be practice purpose. Select will be here. First you can practice will be third party app. It is going good for campaign. Nothing but don't activate your campaign. Just your practice purpose. Select other app. So app will be cricket. Next, continue. Where you can promote all countries, India, enter location, only India. My app will only promoting for India. A specific location, enter the specific location also. This app will be promoting for entire India. Some people will selecting for all countries and terminals. That is called here. But right now I will target only for India country. After language, English. Any location option is a common one. Don't select this. Anything will be changed. More settings, started ended, date feed. This don't setting this option. Always remember, if you see the previous ads, any ad creation time, don't set by the end date. Why? Because you can change your ads, but don't change your date and time. Once campaign will be finished, it will be finished permanently. So the campaign will running for any time with the another application. Don't mention by the end date option. Always remember, suppose this campaign will be particular 3 days. You mentioned it. It is not a particular 3 days. I can run in a future for that ad also. Don't give the end date option. Now click for next. After that, budget of daily 1000. Don't give the less than 500. More than 500 you have to mention by the budget. Right now I can give the budget will be 1000 rupees daily budget. Install, that is called CPI. Cost per install, it will be charged. Based on the install, users will be charged your budget. Cost per install, I'll give by minimum 10 rupees. Why? It will visible by the minimum cost will be 7 rupees. So what I'm giving by 10 rupees. Suppose if you're not this interested, you can click for apply. Simple option. Remember, every time they give the guidance, the based on guidance, you can follow the particular budget. This is nothing but CPA, cost per action. Anybody looking your app, they will be cost, they will appreciate by based on your action. Click for next, select your application. Best cricket app. Free application. Tournament matches. Here. The file size. Okay. Just how many images you can upload? 20 images. How many videos you upload? 20 videos. How many HTML file you upload? We can upload by up to 20 upload file. So without uploading this three option, anything will be wrong. Nothing will be wrong. Upload image your wish or video wish, everything. Video purpose, I don't have any video this application. What we can go with is select by is iOS one. Yeah. This is not my video, just I'm visible. I'll tell you this. Add video, search from YouTube, click it. Where you can show this ad will be here. This ad will be shown. Where this will be visible by the mobile. It will ad will be show where only? Only mobile device. Why? Apps are more will be visible by where? Mobile device. So that is called enter. Display is a mobile. Search is a mobile. YouTube is a mobile. Discover is a mobile. And last one is the Google Pay also will be mobile device. Why? Apps are promoted only for mobile device, not for desktop. So that is the reason if you open any Google Play Store on desktop, no ads visible by the Play Store by the desktop option. Only ads visible by where? Only for mobile device. So compulsory keep it in mind in interview question. Mobile app promotion visible by the which place? Only for mobile device. That is called, please make a note, display, search, YouTube, discovery and Google Play Store. Only for mobile device. Please make a note here. Everything is perfect. Next, click for next option. Final review. Everything budget is done. Or the final one, click for publish the campaign. Final, it is going to the publish the campaign is here. Now campaign is eligible. Same. Go to total campaign. First of all, campaign account. Second will be option call is ad group. Third will be ads. That is the structure will be like this. Here, this is compulsory. You can follow these instructions. Create the mobile app promotions and increase the App Store and the Play Store. Increase the app installations. Follow these instructions and create any application by using Google AdWords here. Any campaign will be past time. There will be free application, one title, tournament matches, best cricket app without comparison on the fun. Here is the number of options app will be created. This all will be under review. When is the review will accepted, the campaign will be started. Any campaign, first of all, remember, if you create any campaigns, if is a pause or remove, only one option. Click for pause or remove. Two option will be here. Without click for pause, we don't do any option. And I'll intimate, don't change by the end date option. Don't put the end date. Reason, we can application go to here, select by ad group. We can add another cricket application. Here will be click it, changing by the application. That will be acceptable will be here particular option. So that is called, we can go to the add group option where it is here. Select add group is there. Existing ad group. Remove it. Create another ad group option. Where it is ad group. We can number of application you can install. That is the purpose. We can go to this particular option will be here. So this is a cricket application. Change your headlines, everything. Post your particular content. So that is called don't change your particular budget will be in a particular option. Is it clear? This is a campaign we'll be creating for particular app promotion purpose. Always remember any ad will be remove purpose. Click for pause. After click for remove option. It's a complete remove from your campaign Google AdWords account. So this is the procedure will be followed by the each and every campaign purpose. Any app promotion will be getting any error, please contact my channel. I definitely will be support you. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe our channel.